Ready to make your party absolutely come alive with your family or your friends? This is the tech that's going to do it. It's the iKarao karaoke machine. It's a smart karaoke machine that comes preloaded with all the songs. You've got amazing microphones on it and really hours and hours of entertainment for any party. This is some smart packaging, I'll tell you that right now. Check this out. You see the two microphones are easily placed in the top of this egg crate. You've got the wire, obviously, for charging. And this is going to be essential because the great thing about this is that it's portable, meaning you don't have to plug it in anywhere. All right, easy to come out of the box. And check this out on the front side. Let's open up this. This is a 10.1 inch HD screen. How good is that? Already, I am excited. I have a feeling it's going to sound great. What a fun welcome tone. Yes, and that even sounds really good. And if you look at the buttons on the top of it and the mic inserts, you got something that's really thoughtfully put together. Something I love to see where it's not ramshackle. It's like, we got it. You got YouTube right here. You've got the music library. By the way, that's how you get into Spotify. You've got local media that we've got attached to it. But the real star here is this thing called Carafun. And this is what you want to tap to get your party started. Those are all the features, but let's put this baby to the test. Are you ready? Because this is what you came for tonight, right? Wow, listen to this sound. You do have a song request. Okay, what's the request?
CyberGuy, Tackalicious. CyberGuy, Tackalicious.
The really cool thing about this is this right here, the volume. You won't believe in person how loud this thing gets. I mean, you can hear me like 200 feet away as if I'm at a concert. So the only thing left is this. With 30 hours of playtime, where next are we taking this party?